Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Creasquare IO account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Creasquare AI account on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address creasquare.io, and that it on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Creasquare. So let's wait for it. And over here guys, let's accept all the cookies. Now in order to log into your Creasquare IO account, from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login page or login button available over here for us. Simply click on that login button and then a login panel will open to sign into your Creasquare account. So let's wait for it over here, and on here you can see the login panel at the left or at the right side of the screen. And now to enter to your account from over here, simply enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Creasquare AI or the Creasquare IO, and at that enter your password guys. But guys, you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, a login, if you click on that button or page to reset your account's password, will open depending upon your email address. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Creasquare AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.